Whether you're handling quick home repairs or tackling small work projects, having the right tools matters. In this video, we cover the essential tools every toolkit should include, from basic fixes to everyday maintenance. These are practical, reliable tools you'll actually use. Check the description box below for links to recommended tools and useful resources to help you get started.
A cordless drill earns its place in almost any toolbox. It drills holes, drives screws, and handles quick fixes without much effort. Because it's battery-powered, you can use it anywhere, whether you're in a garage, backyard, or halfway up a ladder. There's no cord to limit your movement or slow you down. From putting together flat-pack furniture to mounting shelves or making repairs, it adapts easily to the task.
Adjustable speed settings give you better control, so you're not overpowering smaller jobs or struggling with tougher materials. Simple, portable, and efficient, a cordless drill helps you get more done in less time. Getting measurements right can make or break a DIY project, which is why a measuring tape is so important. Almost every job depends on accuracy, whether you're cutting materials, spacing shelves, or lining things up neatly. A good measuring tape helps you avoid mistakes that waste time and supplies. It's just as useful for small touch-ups as it is for larger builds. Most tapes extend smoothly and pull back easily, so you can measure quickly without hassle. Many also include a lock to hold the measurement steady while you mark or cut. From hanging artwork to assembling furniture, a measuring tape is a simple tool you'll reach for again and again. A claw hammer is one of those tools you end up using more often than you expect. It's great for driving nails into wood, drywall, or other surfaces, which makes it useful for everything from hanging frames to basic repairs. The curved claw on the back lets you pull nails out cleanly, saving time during fixes or small teardown jobs. That two-in-one design makes it practical for both building and correcting mistakes. A solid handle and balanced weight help you swing with control instead of brute force. Simple, reliable, and tough, a claw hammer is a must-have tool that belongs in every home toolbox. A good screwdriver set belongs in every home because screws are everywhere. Different jobs call for different sizes and tips, and having options saves frustration. Flathead and Phillips drivers cover most household needs, from assembling furniture to working on small devices. A complete set lets you handle delicate screws as well as larger, tougher fasteners. Comfortable handles make a big difference too, giving you better grip and control when you need to apply pressure. Using the right screwdriver also helps prevent stripped screw heads, which can turn a simple task into a headache. Whether you're tightening a loose hinge, fixing a toy, or making quick repairs around the house, a screwdriver set keeps you ready to handle problems as they come. An adjustable wrench earns its place in a home toolbox by being flexible and practical. Its sliding jaw allows it to grip nuts and bolts of many sizes, which means one tool can handle a wide range of jobs. Instead of digging through a full wrench set, you can quickly adjust the wrench and get to work. It's especially useful for plumbing tasks like tightening pipes or installing a new faucet. It also comes in handy when assembling furniture that uses different bolt sizes. Easy to adjust and comfortable to use, an adjustable wrench helps you work faster and with less effort. Keeping one on hand means you're ready for unexpected repairs without extra tools or store trips. A utility knife is a small tool that handles a surprising number of jobs. It's great for slicing through cardboard, plastic, carpet, or even light drywall without much effort. From opening delivery boxes to trimming materials during repairs, it's often the fastest solution. The retractable blade is a big advantage, letting you tuck it away safely when it's not in use. When the edge starts to dull, you can swap in a fresh blade and keep working without interruption. Its compact size makes it easy to store or carry in a pocket or toolbox. Simple, sharp, and dependable, a utility knife is one of those tools you'll reach for again and again during everyday home projects. A level is the tool that keeps your projects looking right. It helps you line things up straight, whether you're hanging a picture, mounting shelves, or setting up furniture. Even a slight tilt can be noticeable, and that's where a level saves you from uneven results. By checking the position of the bubble in the tube, you can quickly tell if something is aligned properly. Short levels work well for small jobs, while longer ones offer better accuracy for bigger projects. Some modern versions even use lasers to project straight lines across walls or floors. Simple to use and highly effective, a level adds precision to your work and helps give every project a clean, finished look.
Pliers are one of those tools you end up reaching for more often than you expect. They're built to grip, bend, twist, and cut materials your hands simply can't manage. Needle nose pliers are great for detail work, especially when space is tight or wires need shaping. Slip joint pliers adjust to different widths, which makes them handy for holding bolts, pipes, or fittings. Cutting pliers focus on cleanly snipping wire or thin metal.
From quick fixes to larger home projects, pliers save time and effort. Their shaped jaws give control and accuracy, while cushioned handles help prevent slipping and hand strain. A solid set of pliers adds confidence to repairs and belongs in every household toolbox. A flashlight is easy to overlook until the moment you really need one. When the power goes out or you're stuck working in a shadowy corner, a dependable light makes all the difference. Modern LED flashlights shine brighter while using less energy, which means longer run times and better visibility. Rechargeable options add extra convenience and save you from hunting for spare batteries. A sturdy, water-resistant body helps the flashlight hold up in basements, garages, or outdoor use. Adjustable beams are another useful feature, letting you switch from a wide glow to a focused spot for close work. Small enough to carry, but powerful enough to rely on, a good flashlight is a simple tool that earns its place in every home. A stud finder takes the guesswork out of mounting anything heavy on your walls. Instead of hoping you hit solid wood, this tool shows you exactly where the studs are hidden behind drywall. That matters when you're hanging shelves, a TV, or a large mirror that needs real support. By scanning the wall surface, a stud finder helps you place screws where they'll actually hold. Many models go a step further by detecting wiring or pipes, which can prevent costly mistakes. It speeds up the job and gives you confidence before you drill. Simple to use and easy to store, a stud finder turns wall projects into a smoother, safer process. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in keeping your home fixtures secure. That wraps up our list of must-have tools for home and work. With these basics in your toolkit, you'll be ready for everyday repairs, quick fixes, and simple DIY projects without the stress. If you found this video helpful, check out the links in the description box below for recommended tools and organization tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone building their own toolkit. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.